Tired of Google Calendar automatically adding every email invitation to your schedule? Change this setting in under 30 seconds. Here are the exact steps to take control. Just follow along in your own Google Calendar settings. First, click the gear icon in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Then, click on Settings from the drop-down menu. Now, scroll down to find the Event Settings section. Next, click on the Add Invitations to My Calendar drop-down menu. For example, choose When I Respond to the Invitation in Email. Then click OK to confirm the change. Note that your changes are saved automatically. And you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.